Southwest 906, climb maintain 14,000.
Southwest 906, we need to stay here at 4,000. We got a mechanical issue we need to run.
906, roger, amending altitude, maintain 4,000 feet, fly your present heading.
Present heading 4,000, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, could you take a left turn?
Southwest 906, yeah, we can do that.
Southwest 906, turn left heading 090.
090, South 906.
Southwest 960, you guys need any help? Sorry, Southwest 906, you guys need any help?
Yeah, we're going to need to come back to Baltimore, but we need to run some checklists. If you could just keep giving us headings around Baltimore, that would help.
Fine, you guys declaring an emergency?
Not at this time.
Southwest 906, roger, give me souls on board and fuel whenever you get a chance.
Okay, give us time.
Southwest 906, turn left heading to 050.
050, South 906.
Southwest 906, just so I can get things moving here, do you guys need equipment standing by?
Negative, South 906.
Roger, what is the issue of the emergency?
Just got a jam stabilizer.
Sounds good. Everything working okay with the flight controls?
Yeah, we're okay.
Roger. Southwest 906, you guys want runway 28 for the long runway?
That's affirmative.
Roger, Southwest 906, turn left heading to 280.
280, Southwest 906, and we may need the trucks. You just give us some time. We're going to run through checklists.
Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and stand by just in case, so we're not doing this last minute.
All right, thanks a lot. We're just going to probably have hot brakes.
Okay, sounds good. Southwest 906, altitude is your discretion. Don't worry about the 4,000.
Thank you, South 906.
And Southwest 906, I hate to keep bugging you guys. I do have some other traffic inbound from the airport. Are you guys ready to come in now, or you want to hold out for a little bit longer?
Hold out, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, I won't give you any steep turns like that again, but I'll have to just kind of vector you around. I have no VFR traffic in the area right now, but if you need to climb for VFR traffic, could you guys do it, or you want to stay right there?
We're just going to stay right here if we can. You're doing a great job.
I'll try to keep everyone away from it. There's a lot of VFRs out over the bay right now.
All right, thank you.
Southwest 906, turn left heading 260.
260, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, heading to 150.
150, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, heading to 120.
120, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, I ultimately want to get you back northbound to keep you close to the airport. You guys can just gradually start to turn to a 360 heading, just incrementally if you need it.
Right, thanks. Heading to 360, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, I know you guys are busy. Any chance you have the number of souls on board?
I believe it's 169, Southwest 906.
69, and can you see what the fuel is showing real quick?
It's 26,000 pounds.
26, thank you, sir. Southwest 906 heading 090.
090. For planning purposes, we're just about ready to take vectors for the final. If you could give us like maybe a 15-mile final.
Okay, sounds good. We'll start pointing you that way.
Thank you.
Southwest 906, turn left heading 040.
040, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906 heading to 010.
010, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, altitude is still your discretion. My MVA in that area all the way to the airport will be 1,700 feet.
All right, thank you. Are you bringing us on a base flight for South 906?
Are you guys ready for it?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Southwest 906, you can join the localizer, whatever heading works for you. You guys want to start a gradual turn now, or if you, whenever you want to turn, just join the localizer.
Are we clear for the approach? We have the airport site.
Southwest 906, clear for the visual approach, only 28.
The visual 28, thanks, South 906.
And I'm sorry, Southwest 906, this was my fault. The localizer is out. Do you guys have the RNAV pulled up?
We can, Southwest 906.
If the 28 localizer is out of service.
Thank you.
Southwest 906, you can contact Baltimore Tower on 19-4. We'll see you.
19-4, Southwest 906. Southwest 906 is on final for 28, about 10 out.
Southwest 906, Baltimore Tower. Hello, wind 230 at Niner. There will be a departure or two prior to your arrival. Everyone's waiting for you. Runway 28 clear to land.
Thank you. Clear line 28, Southwest 906.
.413 and emergency aircraft is 2 mile final.
413, roger.
Baltimore wind 230 at 7. Southwest 906, if able, turn right. Can you make the right turn at Golf?
That's from a right turn on Golf 906.
Okay, Southwest 906, would you like to stop on Romeo and have the emergency check you out?
Yeah, it's affirmative.
Southwest 906, turn right on the Romeo and hold short of runway tree left.
Right on Romeo, short of 32 left, Southwest 906.
Southwest 906, contact ground point 9. Have a great day.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.